Hi guys. So I think there's a couple different ways to get to fine arts. So if you're in Schoology, go to courses, go to my homeroom, scroll down past this welcome folder, go to week of August 17th, and then go to the day we're on. So today's Monday. So click on Monday, and you'll see down here music. It's in there. On Tuesday, I'll go back here to show you. If you went to Tuesdays, it says STEM. So I have them right there in the weekday folders in my class. Monday, music for e-learning week of August 17th through 21st.